Sergeant Edward Younger was a highly decorated World War I veteran who was chosen to select America's Unknown Soldier. Born in Chicago to German and Polish immigrants in 1898, Younger was orphaned at age 9. He enlisted in the Army in February 1917, about 6 weeks before the United States entered the war. Younger was deployed in one of the first contingents sent to Europe. While fighting in France, he was wounded by German fire and hospitalized for a few months. Soon after returning to the front lines in 1918, he was wounded again in the Meuse-Argonne Offensive and honorably discharged. After the war, Younger reenlisted and deployed to Germany as part of Headquarters Company, 2nd Battalion, 50th Infantry in 1921. While serving with the 50th, he was ordered to France as part of a small group of soldiers selected as pallbearers for the still-to-be-chosen World War I unknown. Major Robert P. Harbald inspected the service records of these men and chose Younger to select the unknown soldier. Younger, however, did not have the opportunity to visit the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier until 1930, when the Washington Post sponsored his trip to participate in a Memorial Day program at Arlington National Cemetery. Sergeant Edward Younger's grave is located here in Section 18.